Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into a topic that many of you have asked about: effective and sustainable weight loss. Forget the fad diets and the quick fixes that never last. We're going to talk about real, science-backed strategies that you can incorporate into your daily life to see lasting results. If you're ready to transform your health and feel your best, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this journey together. First up, let's talk about the king of macronutrients, protein. If you're serious about weight loss, protein needs to be your best friend. Why? It's all about satiety. Eating a protein-rich meal helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks between meals. Think about it. A breakfast of eggs and Greek yogurt will keep you satisfied way longer than a sugary cereal. Protein also has a higher thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it compared to fats and carbs. Plus, when you're losing weight, you want to lose fat, not muscle. Adequate protein intake is crucial for preserving that lean muscle mass, which keeps your metabolism fired up. So make it a point to include a good source of protein like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, or tofu in every meal. It's a simple switch that makes a huge difference. Now, let's have a real talk about goals. I see so many people get discouraged because they expect to lose 20 pounds in a week. That's not just unrealistic, it's unhealthy. The key to long-term success is setting realistic, achievable goals. A healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week. It might not sound like a lot, but that adds up to 4 to 8 pounds a month and potentially 50 pounds or more in a year. Slow and steady truly wins the race here. This gradual approach allows your body to adapt, reduces the risk of nutrient deficiencies, and, most importantly, helps you build habits that you can maintain for life. So, instead of focusing on a huge, intimidating number, celebrate the small victories. Celebrate that first pound, then the next. This mindset shift is a game changer for staying motivated. Next on our list is a super simple but incredibly effective trick: managing your portion sizes. In today's world of supersized everything, it's easy to lose track of what a normal portion actually looks like. A fantastic way to regain control is by using smaller plates. It's a psychological hack. A normal portion of food can look tiny on a huge dinner plate, leaving you feeling unsatisfied. But that same portion on a smaller salad plate looks plentiful and abundant. Your brain registers that you're eating a full plate of food, which helps you feel more satisfied with less. You can also use your hands as a guide: a palm-sized portion for protein, a fist for veggies, a cupped hand for carbs, and a thumb for fats. These little adjustments can drastically reduce your calorie intake without you feeling like you're on a restrictive diet. Alright, let's talk about the simplest, cheapest, and most underrated weight loss tool out there: water. Staying properly hydrated is non-negotiable. Our bodies are about 60% water, and every single cell and system relies on it to function correctly. Sometimes, when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. Before you grab a snack, try drinking a full glass of water and wait 15 minutes. You might find that the hunger pangs completely disappear. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, which is about 2 liters. Drinking water before meals can also help you feel fuller, causing you to eat less. It boosts your metabolism and helps your body flush out toxins. So carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. It's a constant reminder to sip throughout the day and is one of the easiest habits to build. Now, for the one that everyone dreads but knows is critical, cutting out sugars and refined carbs, I'm talking about soda, candy, pastries, white bread, white pasta, and sugary breakfast cereals. These foods are what we call empty calories. They offer very little nutritional value and cause rapid spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels. That crash is what leaves you feeling tired, cranky, and craving even more sugar, creating a vicious cycle. When you consume these, your body releases insulin to manage the sugar rush, and a primary job of insulin is to store fat. By cutting down on these items, you stabilize your blood sugar, reduce cravings, and encourage your body to start burning its stored fat for energy. Replace white bread with whole grain, white rice with brown rice or quinoa, and sugary drinks with water or herbal tea. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel and how quickly the pounds can start to come off. Of course, we can't talk about weight loss without mentioning exercise. Diet is crucial, but pairing it with consistent physical activity is the formula for success. Exercise does more than just burn calories. It builds muscle, boosts your metabolism, improves your mood, and reduces stressor, of which are vital for weight loss. You don't have to spend hours in the gym every day. The key is consistency. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy. It could be brisk walking, dancing in your living room, cycling, swimming, or joining a sports team. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio, like fast walking, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio, like running, each week. Also, don't forget strength training. Lifting weights or doing body weight. Exercises like push-ups and squats a couple of times a week will build that precious muscle mass we talked about earlier, turning your body into a more efficient fat-burning machine 24/7. Finally, my last tip is to track your progress. This is your secret weapon for staying motivated and accountable. When you have a clear record of your journey, it's easier to see how far you've come and identify what's working and what isn't. This doesn't just mean weighing yourself. While the scale can be a useful tool, don't live and die by the number. Your weight can fluctuate daily due to water retention and other factors. Instead, take a holistic approach. Take progress photos once a month. Notice how your clothes are fitting differently. Track your body measurements, like your waist, hips, and arms. Keep a simple journal of what you ate and how you exercised. Seeing the numbers go down and the photos change over time is incredibly empowering. It provides tangible proof that your hard work is paying off, which will fuel your desire to keep going, especially on days when you feel less motivated. So there you have its 7 powerful, practical strategies for achieving real, lasting weight loss. It's not about a 30-day challenge. It's about building a healthier lifestyle, one step at a time. Prioritize protein, set realistic goals, manage your portions, stay hydrated, limit sugar, move your body consistently, and track your incredible progress. Remember to be kind to yourself. There will be good days and not so good days, and that's perfectly okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start making some positive changes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's S1 small change you going to make this week? Let's support each other. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.